Boo.
When she was out here, she was the first one to sit down, and then everybody else was.
You think you're funny, don't you? Are you trying to eat my camera? Oh!
You're so funny.
Kaden, come on now. You can stand up there because you're a big boy. You think you're so big. You're so big and so bad.
I can jump. Yay.
Boo. Boo.
1, 2. I can jump faster. 1, 2. Oh. Oh, that one.
The second one of these kids jump on my leg, I'm going to scream. I know you think it's funny.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. So funny.